Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to rename files and folders on your MacBook. If this helps, please consider subscribing to this channel. So first of all, open a Finder. So normally this is the Finder. Open it. After that, navigate to the file or folder you want to rename. So for example, I'm choosing this Flutter folder and I'm choosing this folder. Normally click on it and after then right click on your mouse. If you don't have a mouse, then you can hold down your control button on the keyboard and press on the trackpad and then select rename. Now give it a name and press enter button. And here you can see that the name of the file has been changed. So that's it. You have successfully renamed your files and folders. The method is same. So guys, see you in the next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.